So today we're back, but with a different video. So today we have our 335i. We're not doing anything really crazy. We're just doing a normal brake job, and I've already started here. As you can see, got the rotor, everything off, caliper, pad, all that. And I've been fighting with this rotor forever, like literally the last probably 30 minutes to an hour fighting with it. You can see I've been beating on it all over, couldn't get it off, fighting it. So finally I'm like, you know what, let me try some of this here PB Blaster. Right, I spray that on there, let it soak for maybe 5-10 minutes, you know, nothing too crazy. Come back to it, smack it one time with this here 25-pound dumbbell that I've been beating on it with the whole time. One hit comes right off, easy, nothing. Kind of upset, kind of happy, really excited, but anyway, I'm gonna get back to the brake job here. All right, y'all, so we finally finished. We're done with the brakes. So this side, I learned my lesson from the last one. I used PB Blaster right away, didn't have any struggle with it, came off immediately. And as you can see, our rotor is all heat checked, warped, scored up, scratched, grooved, all kinds of terrible. Our pads, they were metal on metal. So it's a long overdue here. The sensor, I didn't know what to do about that, so I did just cut it. I didn't use any of the brake grease that came with it because, well, I was just trying to do it quick. I really didn't care. But we have both sides on. Got our shiny new rattle clip here with our shiny new rotors. Same with this side. Our shiny new rattle clip, shiny new rotors. Here's the other side. These ones are way more chewed up because I had to beat on them a lot more because I didn't use PB Blaster till about 45 minutes later. Again, metal on metal. Terrible. Should have done this a long time ago. But it's done now, guys. And anyway, next video should be another update on our Civic. Got more coming along on the Civic here. It's pretty much the exact same place it has been. Still have to do the timing. I finally did get some more attachments for my impact over here, so I will be able to zap off the pulley. Oh, focus. Come on, there we go. So I did get some more attachments for my impact, so I can get the timing belt pulley off, or the whatever, you know what I mean. Crank pulley, that thing, right there. That crank pulley bolt off, set my timing how it should be, and then get my buddy to come by with his hoist, come over here, made up the transmission, clutch, all of that. I do have an alignment tool somewhere, here it is, that coworker let me borrow. So that'll all be done soon, guys. Stay tuned, a lot more to come. Just wanted to keep y'all posted. Little tip on that PB Blaster, it works great. Use it, trust me. I was in doubt, but no, firm believer, never doubting it again. It's amazing. See you later, guys. So we're back with another update on our Civic. I know it's been quite some time since the last video. There's good reason for it. I know I got a couple clips in here of the 335i when I was doing the brakes, and pretty much reason for the delays has just been a lot of personal life issues going on. Long story short, I'm now a single father. My girlfriend and I just broke up. We have a 5-year-old daughter together, and so it's been pretty rough. The last few months we've been going through a rough patch, and I don't want to get too into it because it is pretty personal. But I mean, yeah, so that's the reason for the delays in all these videos, guys. Hopefully you can understand, see where I'm coming from, and cut me some slack at least, you know. I really want to get this stuff done for you guys. I want to get it done for myself as well. It's just, I got a lot of personal stuff going on, and it kind of sucks. I haven't really been motivated, but we're hopping back into it here. It's been a little bit of time since things have happened, and so now I'm trying to get back into it and trying to get motivated again, get everything going. So anyway, as you can see, we got the Civic here, or at least the Civic engine. The Civic is obviously over here still, hasn't moved since, well, it's all apart still. If we take a look, we do have the timing finally set. So look over here, we got top dead center. Up here, cams also top dead center. So everything is good to go. Got our manual tensioner in there, all set. So I haven't turned it over yet. I do have my impact there, how I got the pulley off and everything, my 1/2 inch. So we could go ahead and turn it over, make sure everything's good to go. And at that point, I just need to hit up my buddy, get an engine lift, slap everything back together, throw the engine and trains together, throw it back all in the car, and we'll be good to go, guys. All right, so here we're gonna go ahead and just turn over the engine. I had to go ahead and remove all the spark plugs because I did not want to turn over with the spark plugs in there. I guess compression is a bit high. So as you can see, got crank top dead center, cams top dead center. And so we're just gonna go ahead and turn this here counterclockwise. Watch everything turn. Turns over pretty easy. I like it. No effort. Going great. Cams are almost back up to top dead center. So right there, cams are top dead center. And our crank is also still top dead. So we're good to go, guys. All I gotta do is slap the cover back on here, the timing cover, throw the plugs back in, get my distributor back on, take the manifold back off because I just threw it on there for the thumbnail, and then we're good to go. Slap the tranny back on like I said earlier. We're set. Lots to come. Stay tuned, y'all.